So ito tayo guys. I hope this would be a start of something new. Yes, I'm so excited. This gonna be a most ambitious trip. I will be traveling to Europe and I hope this would be a good redemption for myself. So see you guys.
Please hang up and try again.
Hello guys, nasa Terminal 3 na tayo. Papasok na tayo. And hahanapin natin yung airline natin. Come on, let's go. So, yun na nga guys. Kalalagpas lang natin ng Bureau of Immigration and this time, explore natin yung lounge sa taas. Yan ang daming tao. Check natin yung Pugs. May Pugs lounge dito sa taas eh. Ito hanapin natin siya. Nakikita ko na yung Marhaba Lounge, which is katabi lang ng Pugs. So guys, ito na yung Pugs. So yun na nga, nasa Pugs pa rin tayo dito sa Terminal 3 and pagkatapos lang natin kumain. Actually, pangatlong beses ko na itong kumain. Pangatlong balik ko na to. And this time, nag-dessert tayo. We have fruits, then some cookies here, like mini cake. We have moist chocolate cake. Merong tart din dito. Tapos, I also have vanilla here, ice cream, vanilla.
A few moments later.
So ito na nga guys, boarding time na. We have to make it fast. Guys, welcome to Dubai. So this time, hanapin natin yung transfer, yung connections. Ito na nga guys, kakapasok lang natin for the connecting flight from Dubai papuntang Lisbon, and this is we're gonna be traveling for 8 hours and we are gonna try to sleep as much as possible kasi hindi tayo nakatulog. We just landed here in Lisbon Airport. It's gonna be a sunny morning. So ito na nga guys, kararating lang natin. Pasensyahan nyo na kung hindi masyadong maganda yung audio natin kasi empty bat na yung battery natin, tsaka delayed yung flight namin ng 30 minutes. Hindi kami agad pinalabas para hinihintay pa yata yung clearance ng management dito sa airport. So at least Finally, we are just here in Lisbon, Portugal. So, ayan na yung mga kasama ko nasa unahan. So, hihintay natin yung luggage natin. Kinakabahan tayo. Baka mamaya hindi nasama yung akin. So, guys, nakuha na natin yung baggage natin, yung luggage natin. Maghahanap tayo ng water kasi gutom na tayo. Mahaba-habang lakbay na naman to. From the airport, we're gonna have our tour, city tour. Bili tayo ng water. I think that's our bus. Yung pang second yata, ayun. Let's make it fast para makakuha tayo ng good spot. Bigyan natin ng luggage.
First time in Europe, most of you have been here?
No.
A few moments later.
Ayan, this is it guys. Ang ganda. So ito daw, nagsisimbolo daw yan ng pagka-oldest ng Portugal. Guys, nasa Portugal pa rin tayo and nandito tayo sa Lisbon, which is the capital city of Portugal. And guys, ang daming tao. You see this? Oh. Ayan. Alam nyo ba na ang Portugal is the oldest country in Europe? Behind me, kung makikita natin, ang daming boats din dyan, mga yate. Kasi ang Portugal din kasi kilala sila bilang isa sa pinakamalaking bansa kung saan malakas yung konsumo nila when it comes sa mga lamang dagat o mga isda. Kasi kaya tinawag din yata itong ang isa sa mga lugar ng Portugal ay ang Porto kasi malapit sila sa, alam mo yon, mga port. This was built in the middle of the sea. So guys, first night natin dito sa Europe. Nandito tayo sa Portugal. In front of me is the Jeronimos Monastery. That is the former monastery of the Order of Saint Jerome near the Tagus River in the parish of Belém. Papunta tayo ng bus. Ayun yung bus natin.
A few moments later.
Hey man! Hello everybody! This is Heman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, yun na nga, kakagising lang natin. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa Regina Hotel here in Fatima, Portugal. Which is, solong-solo na naman natin yung room na to. Wala tayong kasama as usual. So, speaking of room, I'll give you a quick tour of my room. So, yun na nga guys. this is the door. Pagpasok natin, this is the California king size bed. Ang laki guys. Good for 3 persons. So this one. Sa gilid guys, merong console table, dalawa, which is pwede mo siyang gamitin. This is the cabinet guys, your drawer. Maglalagay ka ng or magsasabit ka ng mga damit dito. Ayan, para sa pa-OOTD mo pwede yan. Ayan, that's me. This is my OOTD for today. Hindi masyadong makapal, wala masyadong layering. Kasi hindi naman masyadong mainit or malamig sa labas. Katamtaman lang yung weather. It's today is 22 degrees, so kaya pa ng damit na to. Kahapon kasi, first tour namin kahapon, talagang pinagpawisan ako kasi sobrang init. I was not expecting na ganun pala yung weather. Ang in-anticipate ko dahil Europe ngayon and it's November, so baka winter, malamig. So, yun. Nagkaroon tayo ng allergies. So, that one. So, this is the toilet, guys. Your water closure. Ito yung shower nyo. Ayan. This is the toilet. This is the that one is the ano ba tawag dito? Vanity mirror. Nagme-mental block tayo. Ayan. Nagamit ko na siya guys. Pasensyahan nyo na. Masyadong madumi pa. Ayan. Kakatapos lang kasi natin maging paki din. So, yun na nga. Alis na tayo. Bababa na tayo. Kasi 7 in the morning, mag-start na yung breakfast natin. So, dapat mauna tayo para ma-vlog natin kung anong meron ngayon. Guys, nakaka-amaze lang. Kasi yung elevator dito, nag-start sa 0. See that? 0. So, kung third floor ka, third floor din. Or kung second floor ka, kailangan third floor yung pindutin mo. Ito na. We're gonna have our breakfast. This is gonna be my breakfast. This one. Ano yung naglakad lang kayo?
1 kilometer away siguro.
Malapit lang.
1 kilometer.
So guys, this is our hotel. Ito yung lobby ng reception ng hotel namin, which is nasa Regina Hotel here in Fatima, Portugal. Ayan, you see that? So we are planning to leave exactly 8 in the morning. This is the reception. Labas tayo. Ganda ng maple leaf, no? Oo. Ito yung maple leaf dito sa Portugal, guys. You see that? It's different colors. We have yellow, red, green. Akala ko sa Canada mo lang makikita, but still here in Europe. We have some maple leaf here. Ito yung labas ng hotel namin, guys. Here in Fatima, Portugal. Wala masyadong katao-tao. Nakapunta ka na doon? Dito, guys, sa Portugal, pag 8 o'clock, wala pang masyadong tao. Usually, gising sila mga 10 o'clock. Pag-gising ko ng mga 7 in the morning, wala pang masyadong tao at saka madilim pa siya masyado. Yung weather dito, ang lamig guys. Sobrang lamig. It's, oh my God, 16 degrees Celsius. So makikita mo din, dito lang din sila nakapark. Sa mga gilid lang. Parang Pilipinas lang din. That's the universal, behavior ng mga tao. The maple leaf. This one is color yellow. The other one is red. Yan, first time ko lang makita na may dumaan dito na sasakyan. Ayan, may pangalawa. So parang dumadami na yung tao. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time, I'm giving you the sanctuary of Lady Fatima here in Portugal. So here are some interesting trivia facts about the sanctuary of La Fatima and Moroccan Saint tradition.